Astronomers just spotted the brightest explosion ever seen in the universe. This massive blast was a gamma-ray burst so powerful it outshined every star in its galaxy combined. It came from a giant star collapsing into a black hole, releasing more energy in seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. If you love mind-blowing space discoveries, make sure to subscribe and join us as we explore the universe. And here's the wildest part. This explosion actually happened 2 billion years ago. The light is only reaching Earth today. Imagine what's happening in the universe right now that we haven't even seen yet.